Good morning or good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Today's motion, the self is shaped more by society than by personal choice. Sa mundong puno ng ingay, voices telling you who to be, what to wear, how to think, and how to live. Tanong namin ngayon, ikaw ba ang humuhubog sa sarili mo o hinuhubog ka ng mundong ginagalawan mo? This is not just a debate. This is identity on trial.
Greetings everyone, I'm Shali Herbisi Natural and I agree that the self is shaped more by society than personal choice. Bago ka pumili, pinili ka ng mundo. Pinanganak ka, hindi mo pinili ang pamilya mo. Hindi mo pinili ang wika mo. Hindi mo pinili ang kultura mo. Yet here you are, speaking their language, living their norms, following their rhythm. Ayon sa theories, ang self ay nabuo through social experiences. Wala tayong identity nung pinanganak tayo. Natutunan natin kung sino tayo dahil sa pakikisilamuha. A child born in Philippines learns respect through po at opo. A child in another country learns independence early, seeing human, different self. So tell me, if identity begins before awareness, how can choice come first? You say you choose, but what are you choosing from? Choices curated, dreams influence, standards imposed. Isipin mo, ang society parang menu sa restaurant. Hindi tayo gumagawa ng pagkain, pumipili lang tayo. Sa available options, ganoon din sa buhay. Language, damit, trabaho, values, lahat may limitasyon base sa lipunan. A student chooses nursing not because it's passion, but because practical daw. In demand, para makaahon ang pamilya. A girl does her beauty because society worship is certain skin tone. Sabi pa ni Claude, ang superego o konsensya ay galing sa rules ng society. Kaya, yung sinasabi mong sarili mong desisyon, madalas, boses lang yan ng lipunan na nasa loob ng utak mo. Is that a choice or a quiet obedience? Society doesn't just guide, it designs. Tignan ninyo ang mga institusyon, edukasyon, media at economic status. Ang school ay hindi lang puro aral. Tinuturuan tayo ng disiplina at role sa lipunan. Ang social media, statistics shows na 78% of ng teenagers ay naapektuhan ng self-image dahil sa nakikita nila sa online. Body standards, fashion, trends, lahat yan, pinauso ng mundo. At higit sa lahat, estado sa buhay, yung taong pinanganak na mahirap at yung mayaman, magkaiba ang magiging pananaw at oportunidad. Pwede kang pumili na magsumikap, pero yung rules of the game ay tinakda ng society. Society provides the land, the water, and the sunlight. Personal choice is just the fruit that grows from it.
Good afternoon, everyone. I am the representative of negative or con side of the motion. The self is shaped more by society by personal choice. Personal choice shapes the self more. A pleasant day to everyone. Yes, society speaks. It tells what to wear, what to believe, and who to become. But the real question is, do you follow or do you decide? As the negative side, we firmly oppose the idea. The society shapes the self more than the personal choice. Because in the end, society may influence you, but it does not control you. Dalawang tao, parehong hirap, parehong lugar. One rises, one gives up. Why? Because of choice. Your beginning is not your definition. Your decisions are. Society gives norms and expectations, but it does not define who you are. Every day, you are faced with choices. Kung susunod or questionin mo ang mga tradisyon, to conform or stand out, o kung tatanggapin o babaliwalain mo ang mga paniniwala. If society truly shape us more, then everyone raised in the same environment would be the same, but they are not. Even in one family, people grow differently. May iba't iba tayong pangarap, may iba't iba tayong paniniwala, at may iba't iba tayong daan. This proves one thing. Identity is not imposed, it is chosen.
Blessed day, everyone. I'm Ryan Angelo Paulia. They will say, may free will ka. Meron. But free will inside what? Inside a system you did build inside expectations, you did right. A child raised in poverty doesn't choose limitation. They inherit it. A boy told, lalaki ka, bawal umiyak. Learns to silence emotion. Sasabihin nila, paano yung mga umangat? Sagot namin, expectation not disprove the rule. Statistics show na 80% ng tao ay nananatili sa kung saan sila nanggaling. So yes, you chose, but promise great are already handed to you.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Christina. Breaking the norm. If society had a greater power, there would be no change. No rebels, no innovators, no progress. But people rise, people resist, people break expectations. A student chooses a different career, kahit putol ang pamilya. You can grow up in negativity and still choose good. You can inherit fear and still choose courage. Because influence is not control, pressure is not destiny.
You are not just you. You are your upbringing, your environment, your society, and echoing within you. Before you said, "This is me," the world already whispered, "This is you should be." And most of us listen. Therefore, we affirm society shapes the self more than personal choice.
Attention and listen carefully. You are not a product. You are not a program. You are not a prediction. You are a decision made every single day. Society may write suggestion, pero hawak mo ang pluma. In conclusion, while society influences us, it does not have the final say. It is personal choice that defines identity, challenges limitations, and drives growth. And in the end, it is not where you came from that defines you. It is what you choose to become. Therefore, we stand here. Personal choice shape the self more than society. Maraming salamat.
So now we ask you, when you look in the mirror, are you seeing society's reflection or your own decision?